What's going on, munchies? It's the Speaking Chef, and I'm back with another video. As you know, today we are making something scrumptious, something delicious. I'm planning we're making a banana loaf. Very simple, affordable ingredients, so there's no excuse for you not to try out this recipe. Of course, if it is your first time tuning into this channel, make sure you drop that green heart in the comment section below. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Drop that red heart in the comment section below. Most importantly, don't forget to join the Munchies family, the Munchies squad, by pressing that notification bell so that you get a special notification every single time I drop a new video. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe. I'm talking a lot. Without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so first things first, guys. You're going to take your ripe bananas. Make sure that your bananas are super ripe. Like these ones here, so I'm only using Then you're just going to smash your bananas like that. We've got our flour here, 2 cups of flour with some salt. We've got milk in here, we've got baking powder there, and some sugar. We've got some vanilla essence, and I'm also using oil because I am substituting the margarine or the butter. But if you've got margarine or you've got butter, you can then just use that. All right, now I'm gonna crack my 2 eggs. This is quite a simple recipe, very quick, like I said, and easy to make. Literally, if you are a munchie, you're watching this video and you've got kids, nephews, nieces, you can literally also get them to do this with you or allow them to do it themselves. Okay, so what's gonna happen now, munchies? I'm gonna put this into our loaf tin, then bake it at 200 degrees for about 20. Okay, munchies, so this is how your banana loaf will be after an hour of baking, 200 degrees. And this is how it is, golden brown and looking good like that. So now we're gonna allow it to cool for another few minutes before we cut it and serve it. looks so good. Here you can check the underneath. Beautiful. Here it is. There's your banana loaf.